Okay, so welcome back. So the next characteristic so that the algebraic expression can be considered polynomial is that the exponent in the variable, okay, in the variable is not, okay, fraction. This is very direct explanation actually, or concept or characteristic, or stating the characteristic. So exponent in the variable is not fraction, or sometimes we call that one as rational number, or sometimes we call that one as, okay, the given is, okay, or cannot be considered a radical expression, where that radical cannot be expressed as an integer or whole number. So just make it simple. Algebraic expression is considered polynomial if the exponent in the variable is not fraction. For example, you have here negative 3x raised to the power of 4. So since the exponent is not fraction, exponent in the variable is not fraction, so it is considered polynomial. Next we have, for example, you have negative 5x squared plus 3x cube, 3x cube, for example, minus 5x raised to the power of 4. So this next example, okay, has three different exponents, so 2, 3, and 4 in the variable. So since exponents, all exponents are not fraction, so you consider this example as, okay, polynomials. So what makes them non-polynomial? For example, if you have here negative, for example, you have negative 3x raised to the power of 1/2. So since the exponent here in the variable is fraction or rational number, then it is considered non-polynomials. Or you may have here 5x raised to the power of 2 over 3 minus 5 minus, shall I say, 2x. Okay, so since again the exponent here is fraction or rational number, so that example is considered non-polynomial. Okay, so I hope you can see the difference now, between the second characteristics or concept of polynomial, where exponent in the variable is not fraction. So again, either the exponent is fraction or not, fraction which is considered non-polynomial, or polynomial because the exponent is not fraction. So all in all, we call them as algebraic expressions. So I hope it is clear now. To illustrate the second characteristics or concept of polynomial. How about if, what will happen, okay, for this one, the third characteristics or concept so that the algebraic expression is considered polynomial. Okay, the third one is, or the last one, okay, so that one. So the third is variable should not be used as denominator. Okay, so if the given algebraic expression is having a numerator and denominator, so the denominator should not be, okay, containing variable or a variable. For example, you have here x plus 2 over 2. So since there is no variable in denominator, so you call this as polynomial. Or you may have negative x squared plus 1 over 5. So we call this again as polynomial since there is no variable in denominator. Or you may have 4x squared minus 3x plus 1 over 10. So since again the denominator is not or doesn't have any variable, so therefore this given expression or algebraic expression is considered polynomial. So got it? So again, just remember these three concepts, concepts or characteristics of an algebraic so that you can consider them as polynomial. So how about this one? So what makes it non-polynomial if there is denominators? For example, you have here x plus 1 over x minus 2. So it is still considered algebraic expression. However, we cannot consider this one as polynomial because the variable or because the denominator has variable here. Okay, so can you see the difference between polynomial between this example and this one? Okay, another one you may have here 2x squared over, you may have here x squared minus 4, for example. So as long as the algebraic expression contains variable in the denominator, then the expression is considered algebraic expression. However, you cannot consider this as polynomial because of the variable in denominator. So you call this example as non-polynomial algebraic expressions. So I hope it is clear to you now. These are the three characteristics or concept of algebraic expression so that you can call them under polynomial or you can call them polynomial expressions. Otherwise, if any algebraic expressions, so some parts of the variable, does not contain or bear these characteristics or concept, then you can consider them, you can categorize them as non-polynomial expression. So I hope it is clear to you now, everyone. So try to answer this one. Okay.